Hi there, so I'm just going to show you how to edit stuff in your Cenefits instance in the Cenefits application. So you can come to the edit section, you can edit contracts, shared benefits, the parents, organizations like your suppliers and delivery partners, employees, filters that you defined, and your portfolio filters. So first of all, contracts, you can toggle between just the contracts that you're assigned as the contract manager for, which is the default view, and you can toggle to all contracts as well to see everything that's in your organization. I guess in this view, if you're using the application a lot, you're probably going to want to filter it. So you can filter it based on the usual sort of contract fields: title, reference number, type, category, portfolio department, location, budget source, value, date ranges, contract manager, supplier status, etc. So you can apply those filters and find just what you're looking for. I guess quite often you might just type in the contract reference number and just find that, and then you've got it. And then within a contract, you can look and you can see what's inside it. You can either click on the details page and see what the details are and click to edit those, or if we go back, you can click on well, by default you'll see the benefits view, so you'll see all the benefits inside that contract. Again, if it's a big contract, you might have loads of benefits over lots of pages, especially if it's like a framework of some kind. So you can filter that, so you can come in here and you can apply all these benefit and contract filters. So I won't run through them all, but yeah, your usual ones: your benefit, outcome, categories, number of points. I guess assessor, supplier, delivery partners, date ranges. I guess the most common ones are probably just going to be maybe the benefit outcome, or maybe the supplier if you're looking for something in particular, or a date range, or maybe you're just wanting to find the ones that are delayed. So there are a number of reasons you might want to use the filter. And then you can click on an individual benefit and have a look at it, see the details, and click on edit to change. To change the fields inside it. One thing you can also do with shared benefits, and I'm not sure if we've got an example of one, but you can change the if you're an admin, you can change the shared benefit outcome from one to another. And the reason you might want to do that is, if maybe you've made a mistake, or maybe you want to change something mid contract. I guess there's a judgment call there between whether or not you would record the fact that the previous thing was there, and you'd use the substituted field in the status explanation to explain that it's been changed to another one, or whether maybe there will be some circumstances where from this edit benefit page you might want to change the shared benefit parent. So that feature is there and available for shared benefits. Most of these, by the way, are specific benefits just because it's easier for me to create them programmatically for this demo. So you can also, as well as the contracts and benefits, you can also come to the shared benefits here, and you can edit those shared benefit parents that we just going to mention. You can come and edit those here. You can remove access to particular suppliers and delivery partners. You can come to look at your employees, and you can edit them, and you can either, you can change their details, and crucially whether they're an admin or a user. And you can archive them. Maybe if they left the organization, they no longer work for you. So you can stop them having access to your stuff. You've got your filters that you've created that you can change: your contract categories, benefit categories, department, and location. And you've got your portfolio filters that you may be using to represent the structure of your contracts. Your program, main program, and your program, main projects, and sub-project. And if you remember, if you've seen the earlier video, unlike these filters, which is a flat structure, this is a tree structure. So if you click on this top level item, there may be one or more items below it, and if you click on one or more of those items that have different items below that. So I think this one has an example where there are two below that, and if you want to archive something down here, make sure you archive something down here, and you don't archive this, because this would archive this item and the items below it as well. So make sure you're editing and archiving things at the right tree level for that. So that's it. That's how to edit stuff in Cenefits. Thank you.